Dynamo graphing offers a powerful way to perform repetitive or complicated tasks on your Revit model. Use Dynamo Player to easily organize and run your collection of Dynamo graphs. On the Manage tab, click Dynamo Player. It runs in a separate window, which you can position anywhere on your screen. Dynamo Player provides sample graphs for Revit that you can use as is or customize for your own project. You can also add your own graphs. Click the Add Folder icon and then the plus icon to navigate to the location of your custom graphs. In the list of graphs, you can choose whether to show or hide thumbnails by clicking the Detailed List and Simplified List icons. Use the search field to easily locate the graph you need. To run a graph from the player, click Play. For example, in this model, the sheet names use title case lettering. If your office standard is uppercase, you can use a Dynamo graph to quickly change the sheet names. Click Play next to the graph to change all the sheet names in the model. If the graph requires inputs, click the graph in the player. This opens up a dialog that you can use to adjust inputs and select elements from Revit. In the Study Options menu, you can select options for this dialog, such as the order of inputs and outputs, and the amount of information displayed. You can also open the graph's file location from here. To view the graph and make changes to it in Dynamo, click Edit in Dynamo. Any changes you make will show up in the player when you save the graph. Each graph contains a web link for more information accessed through the Details icon. You can customize this link for your own graph in Dynamo under Graph Properties. Use Dynamo Player to easily run all of your Dynamo graphs on your model.